If you need to close your ESPN Plus account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ESPN Plus website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for the section that details your subscription. This may be labeled as subscription, billing, or something similar. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Within the subscription details, locate the option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision to close your account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After initiating the cancellation, you may receive a confirmation email or a notification. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the closure of your ESPN Plus account. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to ESPN Plus customer support.